The topic of today's video is how to sell crypto on Transak. So here we are on transak.com, and what we want to do is go to the top right to buy/sell crypto. And you're going to choose the option that's eligible for you. We'll choose buy, sell as an individual. And now this is where we're going to set it up. So the first thing that you want to do is move over to the sell option. And then we want to go to here where it says you pay. We want to click on this Ethereum and change it to whatever crypto we are trying to sell. And then in here, you can put in the amount of crypto you want to sell. And then we're going to go down and change the currency here to whatever we need it to be. So let's say USD. And that'll show you how much USD you'll get for the amount of crypto you're trying to sell. And when you're done there, you can just hit sell now. Now in this next step, we need to put in our email address. This is going to be used for them to send us a verification code. And on the next screen, we will input that verification code. Unfortunately, I won't be going any further as I don't have any crypto to sell. So after they verify your email, the next thing that they're going to want to do is put you through the KYC process. So that means getting a face scan to make sure it is actually you. Personal information, name, last name, and certain other things. And once you are done there, they will ask you for whatever your method is for receiving the funds. And highly likely, if you're not using off-ramp, they will send you a wallet address, and you will use that wallet address to send them the funds. And once the funds are in their account, that is when they will release the money. They'll probably notify you via email. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.